In the fertile alluvial plains of ancient Mesopotamia, where the Tigris and Euphrates rivers met, a civilization was about to be born. This was the land of Sumer, a cradle of civilization, and it was here that the first steps towards written language would be taken. Long before the rise of empires and mighty cities, the Sumerians lived in a world shrouded in mystery. They were a people bound by tradition and a rich oral history, but as their society grew, so did their need for a means to record their achievements, their laws, and their stories. This is the tale of how the Sumerians, in their wisdom and ingenuity, invented the world's first written language, Cuneiform. In the city of Ur, a scribe named Kudurru sat by the light of an oil lamp, his fingers stained with the dark clay that would bear the seeds of a new era. He was a man of great intellect, tasked with recording the decisions of the city's rulers, the Eanna Temple's priests, and the community's elders. One day, as Kudurru pondered the limitations of his oral tradition, he had a revelation. He realized that without a written record, the knowledge and wisdom of his people could be easily lost. Thus, he embarked on a journey to create a system that would immortalize their history. Kudurru began by etching symbols into clay tablets, using a stylus to carve the signs with the precision of a master craftsman. These symbols, or cuneiform, were inspired by the shapes of various objects, such as birds, fish, and plants, as well as the sounds of the Sumerian language. As Kudurru continued his work, he faced numerous challenges. The clay tablets were fragile, and the cuneiform symbols were intricate and difficult to read. Yet, Kudurru persevered, driven by his desire to preserve the wisdom of his people. His efforts paid off. The Sumerians adopted the use of cuneiform, and it soon became the primary means of written communication in their civilization. Cuneiform tablets were used for everything from recording laws and economic transactions to religious rituals and literary works. The invention of cuneiform had a profound impact on the Sumerians and the world at large. It allowed for the preservation of knowledge, the development of complex societies, and the creation of lasting records of their rich history. Centuries later, as the Sumerian civilization declined, their written language lived on, influencing the development of other writing systems, such as the Phoenician alphabet and the Greek and Roman alphabets. The legacy of Kudurru and the Sumerians continues to shape the way we communicate today. In the end, the story of the Sumerians and their invention of cuneiform serves as a powerful reminder of the human spirit's unending quest for knowledge and the power of written language to preserve and transmit our history. It is a testament to the ingenuity of the human mind and the importance of record keeping in the face of an ever-changing world.